Debbie's Mindless Happy Place. I'd like to welcome you and thank you for stopping by. Please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing this video if you enjoy the content. So today we're going to be decorating my Easter tree, and I'm going to show you what I got, decorate my tree, and then show you after it's done. I'm not going to show you like me decorating the tree because everybody knows how to decorate a tree. But I'm going to show you what I got. I'm going to decorate the tree and then I'll show you the finished product. So I got some big signs at the Dollar Tree. I got this one that says love. I got this one that says faith. This one that says hope. I got this one that says carrot patch. I get this one that says Easter eggs. I got this one that says hip hoppity Easter's on its way. And every bunny's welcome. So I'm going to be putting those on the tree for some big items. Then I got this. I got all those from the Dollar Tree. I got this from Amazon. So it's a big bow to put on the top. And so I'm going to put this big bow on the top of the tree for the topper. Very pretty and Eastery. And I got these bows to put on the tree, to tie on the tree. Then I got these little ornaments to put on the tree. They look like Easter eggs, they're Easter ornaments. And then I got these Easter ornaments from Amazon. And like this one says Easter and hop and egg. And these ornaments were in a kit that had Valentine's, St. Patty's Day, and Easter ornaments all together. So I'll link that in the description below. This one has polka dots. So just very colorful Easter eggs for the tree. I got 3 ribbons from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to be using those for my garland. And I think that's it. So I'm going to jump off of here, decorate my tree, and then I'll be back with you to show you how the tree looks whenever I get finished. See you in a few minutes. So as you can see, I got the ribbon garland around the tree and I thought it looked kind of bare. So I also put some of this blue garland that I got from the Dollar Tree and added it to it so that it would have a little bit more garland around it. So then I have the bow at the top and we'll continue decorating. Now I have all my big signs on there. As you can see. So now I've put the little bows on there and the ornaments and it's all decorated. And it looks really cute. I'm going to take you in for a closer look. So that's it for today's video. We'll see you on the next video.